Hey, what's up? This is Mike. Today, I want to do a video demo and show the Cree SKYRAY S110. This flashlight is, I would consider, ultra bright. It has 10 Cree little light emitting chips. Kind of thick and it's not too long, but it's quite thick and heavy. I got this light on Amazon for $40. Ten lights in there. Let me open it up and show you guys. It takes 4 18 650 batteries here. It's quite bigger than your AA battery, and this flashlight does come with a battery charger, but I would recommend getting a better battery charger because the one that comes with it is pretty cheap and takes forever to charge these batteries. But when these batteries are fully charged, it lasts for about an hour, or I'll say about an hour on max light. And this flashlight does have 2 settings. It has the brightest setting and then like a normal light setting, normal flashlight setting for just like your, looking around the house or the yard, whatever, the engine brightness. And then it has like an ultra bright for, I guess, being in a pitch black area that has absolutely no lighting. So I wanted to make a video of this one because I couldn't find any videos online of this SKYRAY flashlight. So I'm doing my best attempt to, make this video and just put some content on YouTube of this flashlight for people who might be interested in buying this flashlight. And right here, I have right next to it is the LE tactical Cree light. And right now, this is a flashlight that's in like all the rage right now. I mean, you see it like everywhere for sale. These little tactical zoomable flashlights. So I'm gonna use this little guy right here that has 1 Cree to show you how bright and powerful this 10 Cree light is. So I'm gonna turn off the lights and we're gonna see. Okay. First I'm gonna do the LE. Okay, so there's the LE right there. Zoom it in. Okay. Zoom out. That's with the little LE zoomable one. Now let's see the SKYRAY. That's at the brightest setting. Big difference. So that's at the brightest setting right there. So let's turn it down to the normal setting. So that's the normal setting. Right there. And you can see that's a huge difference from this one. If you look up, see the LE one right here is right here, the one I'm moving around. And that one is the SKYRAY. So right there, that's the brightest setting for the SKYRAY right there. And this is the LE. See, the SKYRAY one is so much brighter that this one pretty much has, no effect on the SKYRAY's brightness. So let's take this outside and see what it looks like outside. Okay, so this is outside. I'm using the SKYRAY. Okay, so let's turn it on, off, max. Look how much brighter it is. So, totally off, on. Okay, now let's see. Look at the difference. That's the little LE one right here. That's the bright one. Huge difference, huh? Oh. That's the SKYRAY. So, I hope this video was of some use of interest. If you're considering getting this Cree SKYRAY flashlight, it's extremely bright. It's kind of chunky, so I wanted to suggest this one you would carry in your pocket. This is like one you would carry in your backpack on a camping trip, not in your pocket. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.